This kit comes with an electric strike, a wireless receiver, a PIR or motion detector, 2 remotes, and 2 power supplies. These wireless remote buzz-in kits are for commercial applications. We recommend using them for projects like gyms, commercial, industrial, hospitality, retail, hospitals, schools, churches, jewelries, gas stations, and much more. These are all the tools we recommend you have when you install this system. It's recommended to use electrical wire for this installation, 18/4 or 22/4 gauge wire. This wire is a requirement that is needed to connect the maglock, receiver, and exit button. You may also use this wire as an extension for the power supplies. 300 feet maximum with 18/4 gauge wire. This is the installation diagram for this kit. You can find it physically in the package and on the FPC Security website. You may install the electric strike on any type of door, whether it's wood or metal. You can install the electric strike locking device on the jamb of the door. One main advantage to this type of electric strike is that no exit button is required. You may use your normal key to lock and unlock the door as well. This electric strike is a normally closed electric strike lock, and it is fail-safe, which means that in case of a power outage, the latch will disengage and the door will become unlocked. This product has a 3-year warranty. The model VIS-8004 is a 1-channel 315 MHz RF receiver supplied with antenna, and the VIS-8005 is a 1-channel remote, and both are commonly used for opening doors, garage doors, and gates. You just press the button on the remote control and the door will unlock. This product has a 3-year warranty. The IREXPLUS is a request-to-exit motion sensor or motion detector specifically designed for request-to-exit applications. A motion detector can be mounted right over the door at the inside of the door frame, wall, or ceiling. Due to their motion sensor, they can trigger motion and thus unlock the door right when you walk up to the door to exit the space. This product has a 2-year warranty. These kits do not include an exit button for manually exiting, and they do not include a keypad/reader for entry. In this kit, you'll be able to unlock the door from the remotes that come included in the kit. And the PIR or motion detector. This PIR will allow you to install it on the header of the door, and it will allow users to be near the door to exit automatically. This is only allowed for exit. Get your wireless remote buzz-in kit here. www.fpc-security.com/buzzin-kits.